Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a airy split-level residence for sale. It is located in Beadle Heights, Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. It offers peace and a panoramic mountain view. The landscaped yard of 0.26 acres features colorful flowers, along with palm trees, coconut, and mango trees, among others. The ground floor consists of a living and dining room, kitchen, wraparound porch, balcony, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, inclusive of a master bedroom ensuite. The basement consists of 1 bedroom self-contained apartment, veranda, and garage. One of the advantages of this property is that the climate is very cool. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 36.5 million or US $237.1 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.